Are you suffering with the same problem? What if you're out on a wedding function and you end up being like this? No worries. In this video, I'm going to discuss some tips to make your makeup look fabulous and sweat-proof. These tips will definitely help you when you don't want your makeup to lose its effect during summers. I'm not going to use any color corrector or BB cream. This look is totally based on a simple makeup using affordable products. So without further ado, let's start the video. So the very first step, or maybe you can call it as tip number 1, that is to apply ice on face. This tip will not only close your sweat glands but will improve blood circulation and add a glow to your face, leaving a flawless skin. The method of rubbing ice cubes on face can help relieve you from sunburn and also make your acne flat. So if you're someone who has acne problems, try rubbing ice every morning. Since I get more sweat on my T-zone area, forehead and chin, I'm gonna rub it over there. Tip number 2. Use an oil-free moisturizer. This will be less likely to leave your face greasy throughout the day, especially in the heat. Here, I'm using Victoria's Secret moisturizer. I don't know why I kept my face so serious. And I'm gonna evenly apply it on my face. Tip number 3. Using the sunscreen which consists of SPF 50 or below than that, which will give you broad protection. Here I'm using Biotic Bio Sandalwood sunscreen with SPF 50. Using a sunscreen is a very important step to be considered in your makeup, especially during summers. Not applying sunscreens can lead to irreversible damage to your skin. Apply a good amount of it. This sunscreen from Biotic will not leave any white patch on the skin, so you don't have to worry about looking like this after applying sunscreen. Make sure to wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes till the cream gets absorbed into the skin. Tip number 4. Using a mattifying face primer which controls oil production in the skin. After applying sunscreen, primer is the most important prep steps when applying makeup. Since I get more sweat on my forehead, T-zone area and cheeks, primers will suck out all the extra oil from your skin and allow your makeup to stay put. This primer from makeup brand will ensure that the skin doesn't look greasy. This one also covers enlarged pores which causes sweat. Tip number 5. Wear less makeup. During summers, try to use less foundation as much as it is possible. Applying little amount of makeup products will help in the reduction of cakey texture on the skin. So in here, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation in the shade 330. I'm going to use it to cover my dark spots only. Tip number 6. Using a compact powder to lock the cream-based products. In here, I'm using Maybelline Satin Skin Compact Powder. This will help to lock the cream-based products which I used for prepping my skin. Next, I'm using eyebrow pencil from Chamber in the shade 02 Brown to define my eyebrows. Tip number 7. Try to use matte textured products. Because if you apply creamy textured, the humidity will make you extra shiny and sweaty looking. Here I am using a matte lipstick which is from Sephora brand in the shade brown and contouring my face with that. Contour makeup can help enhance your facial bone structure and create depth. Contouring makes use of shadowing and highlighting to define and shape your features in the most flattering of ways. It also helps your foundation look more skin-like and helps make it look more blended. Tip number 8. Using powder eyeshadow. For the ultimate in all-day wearability, always use a powder eyeshadow. It will minimize creasing. Tip number 9. Using liquid waterproof products. When it comes to something liquid, always go with waterproof products. Here, I am using waterproof liquid eyeliner from Lakme brand. I am using waterproof mascara from Swiss Beauty. These are very affordable and you can find it nearby cosmetic shop. Tip number 10. Using nude lip liners. Rich, deep colors have their place, but they look very heavy in summers. So switch to sheer versions of your go-to lip. Use a lip liner but go for a nude shade to keep that carefree feeling, or try invisible lip liners, which deposit a clear waxy film to stop color from bleeding. To define my lips a little bit, I am using matte lipstick from MAC. Tip number 11. Using liquid highlighters. Many believe that powder highlighters is the texture to go for in the summers. This is not always true for the highlighter. That's because powder highlighters are quite loud and can look too bright in summer weather, when skin is already significantly shiny due to sweat and grease. Liquid highlighters in comparison are much softer simply because most of them are formulated using finer particles and so lack large shimmer flakes that could get patchy when mixed with sweat. I am using liquid highlighter from London Iconic brand. So now let's test this. I'm gonna spray some water on my face and test whether the makeup transfers or not. So as you can see, it did not. Try this method whenever you have to attend any functions, wedding events or anything it could be. I hope you find this video helpful. So guys, that's it in today's video. I hope you like it. Do follow me on Instagram. I upload videos on hairstyles, beauty hacks and many more. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I have a new video up. Share this video with your friends. Thank you guys for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, be safe and have peace.